students, I am Neha Singh. Students, I hope you have done well in your Unit Test 3 exams, and if you remember, before the unit test we had started one chapter in history, and the name of the chapter was Tribals, Tikus and the Golden Era. In that we got the information about Birsa Munda, the tribals, the Tikus, the outsiders. Who were the outsiders? The Britishers, because they were the outsider and they were trying to control and rule the Indians. Besides this, we had also discussed about Zoom cultivation. What was that? It was that the people who were the tribals were moving from one forest to another, and they just cut the tree top, they scattered the seeds. When they got the crops, they left that forest like that and went to another. So they were shifting from one forest to another. Today we will discuss that what actually the Britishers did that those people got troubled. They were forced to move from one place to another. They were not able to do the Zoom cultivation. So today's topic is work search. What was the reason for their work search? Students, what happened? The Britishers came to know that the people are living in the forest from one place to another, from one to another forest, and so that the Britishers, what did they do? They declared that forest is state property and the forests are also under the control of Britishers, and whatever rules and regulations they will make, everybody will have to follow that. And what was the rule? They stopped Zoom cultivation. The tribals were not able to do cultivation, they were not able to hunt the animals, and for their life, for food, they were forced to go to another place for their work search. Students, what happened for the tribal people? That they were entitled for the land, but that was taken away. They were forced to follow the rules made by the Britishers, and by this they just were like giving the people the rules made by the Britishers. They were not able to enjoy the earlier rites, the rituals, the things they were doing for their entertainment. All these things were banned by the Britishers, and the only thing which was followed was the rules of the Britishers. The authority was taken away. Students, the next point is shifting cultivation. Students, in this topic is that the Britishers were uncomfortable with the people who were moving from one place to another. Do you know why? Because it was easy to control the people who were at a definite place, and it is very difficult or a little more difficult to implement the rules and regulations according to them on the people who were shifting, who were doing shifting cultivation. I'll give example. For example, for me, if you are sitting in a class, I will be making rules and regulations, and you will be bound to do that because you will be in reach of me. But if you are from very different places and you are roaming here and around in the ground, so many children, it will be difficult for me to control all together. Same as the Britishers also wanted that the shifting cultivators should become the peasants, so that there will be a particular place and they can easily implement their rules and regulations to them, and they will have to save the rules and regulations, and they will be doing whatever they wanted to do. So they started introduced land settlement. The Britishers introduced land settlement. What is this? This was that they fixed the revenue for a particular place, for a particular cultivated ground, so that shifting one was difficult. But if you fix a revenue for a particular ground field, you will get that revenue for that particular place. You will know that what you will get from that particular place. So they started making revenues for the fix for certain lands. They were getting revenue, and that was also fixed according to the land. They introduced this system, land cultivation, land revenue. So students, what happened when they started this? They forced a huge protest against this. Why? Because people were against this system. They wanted to continue with the zoom cultivation, the shifting one. So the Britishers were facing the hate of the people. The people of India were against this rule, and this incident took such a big place. It was so huge that the Britishers were compelled to allow the zoom cultivation for certain forests, not all the forests, but they were compelled to give freedom for the people, some people from the tribals, that they can do the cultivation they were doing earlier. They were allowed because of the huge protest. And for the betterment, the colonial officials came with a solution. And the solution was that they established forest departments. And from the forest department, there was cheap labor available, so that the cultivation process was smoothly running, and the Britishers were getting the revenue at the fixed rate, and the people were allowed, some people were allowed to do the zoom cultivation in particular forest, not in the timber one, because they declared that those forests are theirs, the Britishers. So students, I hope you have understood the topic. You please go through the chapter once, and you will know that how the tribals were doing the cultivation, then how the Britishers interfered, they banned the things, what was the effect on that of that. Then they started settlement, revenue settlement. The people were against that, and as a result they were allowed to do for some forests, Then the colonial officials came that forest department will look after it. They will get the cheaper labor, means labor at a cheaper rate. So these was all in this topic. The further topics of the chapter we will discuss in our next session. Till then, thank you.